Living in forests, yogis in ancient times modeled many yoga poses by observing their natural surroundings, be it trees, animals, or birds. Yastikasana, or the stick pose, brings with it the length, sturdiness, and strength of sticks and tree branches. Yastikasana helps to de-stress, remove all fatigue, aid better blood circulation, improve breathing, and increase lung capacity. It relaxes the abdominal and pelvic muscles, tones the stomach, and in growing children, it even increases their height. Practice Yastikasana and know that you are stronger than you think.